Hello.
I'm rollerblading.
Where'd you get those rollerblades?
Santa gave them.
Woo-wee. Look at you going, Lil. That's awesome. Oh, look. You figured out how to stop. That's good, Lil. Are you rollerblading with the stethoscope around your neck?
Yes.
Do you
I
wanna...
also got a stethoscope from Santa Claus. And you can actually hear out of it.
Well, we might have to use that stethoscope in a little bit. See if you can skate and say Merry Christmas at the same time.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. To all, it's all a good night.